So everything about Shiva is yogic symbol. We have to take the awareness at the top of the head. That's Parameshwara. And stay there. If thought comes, mentally say, Om Namah Shivaya. Shivoham, I am Shiva. Or you can stay at the Adna Chakra, where Shiva and Shakti are one. So Adna Chakra is the place where Shiva and Shakti are one. The left brain and right brain become one. So you can stay at Adna Chakra also. So the Namah Shivaya mantra, when you come to the body, in the outer element, it is fire. It is Na represents fire. Na represents earth. Ma represents water. She represents fire. Va represents air. Ya represents space. This corresponds to 5 chakras in our body. Om is the 6th chakra. And Sahasra, the top of the head, silence, Parashiva. So when you chant Om Namah Shivaya mantra, you can chant with the chakra. Na, ma, shi, va, ya, om. So this you can do in the front part of the body, or you can do in the back part of the body, spinal cord. So this is called internal chanting. Our spinal cord becomes the bead, Japamala, for chanting. Now, when you do this chanting of Japamala, this is much more powerful than chanting in the outer world. It's called Hiranyagarbha Sadhana. The inner chanting is much more powerful. The 6 chakras in our body, Muladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipura, Anahata, Vishuddha, Adna, represent 6 months. So going up and down is 1 year. Internally, 1 round of chanting is equal to 1 round of sadhana in the outer world. 365 days. So going from Muladhara, base of the spine, up is called Arohana. From going down from top of the head to bottom is called Avarohana. And then you stay at the Sahasrara, it's called Kailasa for some time. Let us chant the mantra. First, Om Namah Shivaya in the front portion of the body. Close your eyes. Have Chin Mudra and Jnana Mudra. Let us start first connect with Omkara at forehead. Om. Let us chant Na at the base of the spine, in the front of the body, below the stomach. Ma, just above Swadhisthana chakra. Shi, the Nabi center. Va, the chest area. Yaha, the throat center, Vishuddhi. So this is called Arohana, the climbing up. Now come to Adna again. Chant Omkara. Om. This is called 1 round of Arohana. So then Avarohana, coming down. Na, throat center. Na, the chest area. Ma, the stomach area. She, the Swadhisthana. Va, Yaha. So this is actually chanting mantra akshara by akshara. But you can do fast also. From the stomach area, the bottom, to move upward to Adna, you can move up in 1 chanting, and from top to bottom, you can come down in 1 chanting. Let us do that. First, Adna, Om, from bottom of this, from the base, the bottom of the stomach, abdomen area, up 1 chanting, Namah Shivaya. The energy moves upwards. So Again, this is called Arohana. Then energy moves downwards. Om Namah Shivaya. Arohana. Om Namah Shivaya. Avarohana. Namah Shivaya. Arohana. Going up again. Namah Shivaya. Om Avarohana. Namah Shivaya. Take your attention to the top of the head, Sahasrara. Stay there silently. Any thought comes, remember your true nature. Shivoham. I am Shivaswarupi. Silence, peace is my nature. Bring your attention to Adna again. Omkara. Om Asatoma Sadgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Nanu Nanembudu Nanalla Ideha Manabuddhi Nanalla Sachidanandatma Shivananunani Shivoham Shivoham Shivoham. I'm not the body, I'm not the mind, I'm not the intellect, I'm pure consciousness. Shivaswarupi. Atmadarshanam Brahmadarshanam Brahmadarshanam Satyadarshanam. To know the self is to know God. To know God is to be God. To be God is to know the truth. Antarjyotihi Bahirjyotihi Pratyak Jyotihi Paratpara Jyotireva Jyotihi Swayam Jyotihi Atma Jyotihi Shivosmiham. I am the light of the self. Awareness. Atma Jyoti. I am the light for the world. Jagat Jyoti. I am the light for the mind. I am light beyond all lights. Paranjyoti. I am the self-luminous light. Swayam Jyoti. Light of love, light of peace, light of compassion, light of happiness. Lokaha samastaha Sukhino bhavantu. Lokaha samastaha Sukhino bhavantu. Lokaha samastaha Sukhino bhavantu. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Rub both of your hands. Give on to the eyes. And slowly open your eyes. So this Om Namah Shivaya mantra is chanting. The chanting integrates Shakti and Shiva, then sit silently, become one with Shiva. Om Namah Shivaya mantra is for meditation. It's for liberation. So this month, Kartika Masa, is very, very auspicious for Om Namah Shivaya mantra chanting. This is the period of Kartikeya. Kartikeya means Subramanya. Shanmuga. Shanmuga is the son of Shiva and Parvati. Shanmuga is a devata for 6 chakras. 6 phases of Muruga are nothing but Mooladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipura, Anahata, Vishuddha, Adna. At the base of the spine, Shakti is there, Kundalini. So Shanmuga is represented as serpent in many temples. So awakening of Kundalini is beautiful, happens beautifully in the Kartika Masa. Typically, early in the morning, people get up and light the lamp. The lamp has to be lit in the house, but the real lamp has to be lit in the inner self, in our spinal cord, Mooladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipura, Anahata, Vishuddha, Adna, by chanting Om Namah Shivaya mantra. So the Om Namah Shivaya mantra awakens the chakras, Kartikeya. Shakti and Shiva become one in the Adna. Then they finally move into Sahasrara. So that is Kartika Masa. Very auspicious. Take the benefit of Kartika Masa. Do as much chanting of Om Namah Shivaya mantra in this period and meditate. So now we'll do one more practice. We did the Om Namah Shivaya chanting in the front of the body. Now we'll do in the spinal cord. From the base of the spine all the way up to Adna. Arohana and Avarohana. Each chakra, one time we'll chant. And then we'll do. Put your locks, put your Adna chakra in the Shambhavi Mudra. So Shambhavi Mudra, then start from the base of the spine. First chant Omkara, connecting with the universe. Om. The moment you chant, you are connecting with the universal energy Shakti. The blessings will flow into the body-mind complex through Adna, through Anahata. Now chant the mantra from the base of the spine. Na Mooladhara. Slightly above. Maha. Manipura. Shi. Anahata. The chest area behind in the spinal cord. Va. And Vishuddhi. Throat center. Just behind throat. Spinal cord. Yaha. This is called Arohana, going up. Now Avarohana coming down. Om. Na. Throat center. Ma. Spinal cord, back of the chest. Shi. Manipura chakra, back of the spine. Va. Swadhisthana chakra, back of the spine. Yaha. Mooladhara chakra. Now we'll do fast. The upward movement, Om Namah Shivaya, Arohana. Then downward movement, Om Namah Shivaya, Avarohana. Adna chakra, Om. Om Namah Shivaya. Arohana. Now Avarohana. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. You should feel the energy movement upward and downward in spinal cord. Om Namah Shivaya. 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 Sit silently with your attention on Ajna Chakra. Gently take your attention to the top of the head, Sahasrara, where matted lock of Shiva is there. Become one with Shiva. Stay silently. If any thought comes, repeat mentally, Shivoham. Bring your attention back to Ajna Chakra, Omkara. Om Asatoma Sadgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Nanu Nanembudu Nanalla Ideha Manabuddhi Nanalla Sachidanandatma Shivananu Nani Shivoham Shivoham Shivoham. I'm not the body, I'm not the mind, I'm not the intellect, I'm pure consciousness. Shiva Swarupi. Atmadarshanam Brahmadarshanam Brahmadarshanam Satyadarshanam. To know the self is to know God. To know God is to be God. To be God is to know the truth. Antarjyotihi Bahirjyotihi Pratyak Jyotihi Paratpara Jyotireva Jyotihi Swayam Jyotihi Atma Jyotihi Shivosmiham. I am the light of the self. Awareness. Atma Jyoti. I am the light for the world. Jagat Jyoti. I am light for the mind. I am light beyond all lights. Swayam Param Jyoti. I am the self-luminous light. Swayam Jyoti. Light of love, light of peace, light of compassion, light of wisdom. Lokaha samastaha Sukino Bhavantu. Lokaha samastaha Sukino Bhavantu. Lokaha samastaha Sukino Bhavantu. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Gently rub both of your hands. Give warmth to the eyes. Slowly open your eyes. In this Kartika Masa, auspicious for Subramanya, auspicious for Shiva Sadhana, do as much Om Namah Shivaya Japa. Silently meditate and awaken the inner light Kartika Masa within us. Anybody has any questions? Okay. See, there are Aim, Hreem, Kleem. There are 3 mantras.
Okay.
So the Kleem is actually for Kriya Shakti. It's the stomach area.
Okay.
Okay. Om Namah Shivaya Shiva and Shakti are one. That's what it means, right? Shakti is the whole universe, right? Na means earth, Shivaya, earth, water, fire, wind, and space. That's Shakti. Shakti is one with Shiva. That's the meaning of Om Namah Shivaya. If you add Kleem, that means Kriya Shakti is one with Shiva. That's all. There are three Shaktis of Shiva: Icha Shakti, Dana Shakti, Kriya Shakti.
Okay.
Right? I told you, Lakshmi, Durga, Saraswati, right? This Durga is Kleem.
Okay.
So Kriya Shakti is one with Shiva. That's what you are adding when you add Kleem.
Okay.
Right?
And in Shiva temple, we'll be doing prediction, Ardha prediction. So, but in here, Hyderabad, I have seen many people doing full round in the around the. Why? Because they're telling they'll be Ganesha, Parvati Devi, Surya, and Naga. These four will be in the corners, each and a corner, like that. In each corners, other four Pradishta also seen apart from Shivalinga in the middle. So they are telling it's okay, we can do whole prediction. Is that correct or not? I have that doubt.
See, the Pradakshina, you have to understand meaning of Pradakshina. Okay? So what is the Pradakshina? The entire universe, right? Earth is going around the sun, correct?
Yes.
Earth is doing a Pradakshina for the sun, right?
Yes.
Sun is doing Pradakshina for the center of galaxy.
Okay.
Entire universe is doing Pradakshina of something.
Okay.
Correct, no? The whole universe is moving around something, center. Correct? So the Pradakshina in a temple in our life means we have to go around the God. Our mind should be centered around God. That's the meaning of Pradakshina. Are you understanding what I'm saying?
Yes.
Normally, our mind is centered around job, money, family, position, right? So we should develop a habit of going around God. That's the meaning of Pradakshina.
Okay.
Okay. So is our mind going around the God now throughout the day?
No.
Right?
Not always. Not always.
Right? The real meaning of Pradakshina is entire universe is going round and round through whom around God. Finally, it's going around God. Okay. The sun, moon, the stars, planets, galaxies, right?
Yes.
So we also should move around God.
Okay.
Okay, that's the meaning of Pradakshina. While moving around the God, you will see Naga, Sarpa, and many other devatas. That's fine. But real meaning is our mind should go around Shiva all the time. How does it go around Shiva all the time?
Centering ourselves.
By chanting Shivaya Om Namah Shivaya mantra.
Okay.
Correct?
Yes.
So Om Namah Shivaya, I told you how to chant inside also. So this is the way you do inner Pradakshina, Antar Pradakshina.
Okay.
Right? Shiva is inside you, right? Shiva. So that Pradakshina you're doing inside when you chant the mantra inside. So in Shiva temple, when you go, you are saying, let my mind be always around Shiva. That's what you're trying to say.
Okay.
Right? Then we do also another Pradakshina, right? We stand straight and go around our head 3 times.
Yes. Atma Pradakshina.
Atma Pradakshina, right? What it means is that Shiva is in our heart. So our mind should go around Shiva in our heart. That's called Atma Pradakshina.
Okay.
Correct? This is Pradakshina is told to us because our mind is going round in the whole of the world. It should go around God. That's the meaning of that.
Okay.
Are we clear?
Yes. So, but in Kerala, they used to say, my elder people, they told me like Ganga Devi, we should not cross Ganga Devi. That's why near the Soma Sutram, we should stop and clap our hands so that Ganga flow come on our crown chakra.
These are all rituals.
Okay.
Okay. Now we are gone beyond rituals. It's spiritual.
Okay.
Right? Rituals is always outer. So rituals is outer. There are some practices. Okay. Ultimately, you have to go to spiritual practice, which is reality. Correct?
Yes.
Okay. So anybody else, any questions?
Hari Om, Prabhuji.
Hari Om Mani.
Prabhuji, when we do japa, should we do the Hiranya Garbhaloka japa?
No. See, always start from the outer. The mind
Okay.
is outer, right? Panchakosha, the five, the wind, the 5 elements, right? There you start with the mind outside, because mind is always outside.
Okay.
So chant as much as possible in the outer world, then do in the inner world, then finally settle down for meditation.
Okay, Prabhuji.
See, that's the meaning of pradakshina. Go outer pradakshina, then go inner pradakshina, then finally go to the Garbhagudi.
Perfect, Prabhuji.
Right? Suddenly mind cannot be withdrawn into inner. It has to be a gradual process from outer, slowly inner, finally center.
Okay, Prabhuji. So when we give a count for the japa yajna, after doing the japa,
Don't take undue advantage. One count is one chant is one count.
so inner is also one count.
Don't take advantage. It's only for your benefit.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Right? So then you
Okay.
start reducing the count. Don't do that.
Okay, Prabhuji.
Anybody any questions?
So upward so that you grace, you said. Now you said one right and the up and other
See,
below.
people don't know the mudra. They just say anything. This is Jnana Mudra. I'm not the body, I'm not the mind, I'm not intellect. I am Atma, Jivatma, and one is Paramatma. So this is receiving grace. And then this is giving the grace back into our body, mind, and intellect internally. Passing on. Okay. Anyway, you can receive grace in both hands. One hand grace itself is more than enough. The other hand grace you can give, pass inside.
But you place it on the lap, correct? I mean, generally when we sit, both the hands are kept on the lap, on the thigh.
Lap, yeah. And you can keep it like this also.
Yeah,
Jivatma,
Vivekananda posture is there. Yes, this.
Jivatma is one with Paramatma.
Okay.
Or you can go to Ramakrishna Paramahamsa posture.
Yes.
Okay, but these are all actually signals to the brain.
Yes. Correct. Thank you.
Anybody any questions?
It's very, very peaceful, Prabhuji.
Wonderful. So this Shambhavi Mudra is very important mudra, the third eye. That's why our ancestors said put kumkum, tilak, chandan. Shambhavi Mudra means when your eyes go here, so your mind becomes silent, the world will disappear. World will become Shakti. So Shambhavi Mudra comes from the name Shambho. Shambho Mahadeva. Chant. Shambho Mahadeva. Shiva Shambho Mahadeva. Shambho de Mahadeva. Shiva Shambho Mahadeva. Shambho. Shiva Shambho. Swayambhu. Shambho. Shiva Shambho. Shambho Mahadeva. The Shambho Mahadeva is for Shambhavi Mudra, third eye. Okay. Shall we close for the day? Anybody else has any questions?